Alrighty, got an update to the 300 East Street grade crossing on the BNSF Mendota Sub in Neponset, Illinois. As you can see, the signals have now been moved onto the new foundations. The signals are still pretty much the same as they were before. The only main exception now is that this now features a brand new GSE bell, most likely a Type 3, unless they decide to reuse a Type 2 somewhere. I haven't confirmed that yet. But yeah, you can see new foundations, old ones are gone. New foundation over here, and then the old bungalow has also now been removed. They left the old mounts in place. I don't know if I've ever seen that before, where the mounts are just left like that. But kind of cool to see. And you can see new foundation here. And over here looking south, again, aside from the new foundations and the added GSE bell to the southern signal, the crossing is still basically the same as it was before. So anyways, that's been the update to 300 East Street. Rest in peace, old bungalow.